What's the meaning of council tax? Council tax. Council tax.
Council tax. Council tax. Council tax is a tax levied on households in the UK to fund local services provided by councils, such as waste collection, education, and social care. The amount of council tax paid is based on the value of the property and the number of adults living there. Some households may be eligible for discounts or exemptions. Failure to pay council tax can result in legal action and fines. Overall, council tax is an important source of revenue for local government and helps to support essential services in communities across the UK.